Learning about shapes with 4 sides, we will now discover shapes with 3 sides, triangles. We will look at the 5 most common types of triangles. Draw a triangle ABC with 3 sides of different lengths and no right angle. Perfect, you have drawn a scalene triangle. There is no right angle and the 3 sides have different lengths. Now next to this triangle, draw another triangle def, but with 2 sides of the same length. Your triangle is not isosceles. Erase it and draw an isosceles triangle. Good. Now we are going to draw an equilateral triangle, that is, a triangle with 3 sides of the same length. We will use the compass, just like we did for the rhombus. But this time, we will only connect the top point or the bottom point. Draw an equilateral triangle GHI with 3 sides of the same length using the compass. Now draw another triangle JKL with a right angle between 2 sides. As you've understood, you will need the set square. Be careful. The 2 sides that form the right angle must not have the same length. Your triangle is not a right triangle. Erase it and draw it again. Well done, you have drawn a right triangle. Exactly, that's right. If you cut the rectangle ABCD in two along its diagonal BD, you get two right triangles. This diagonal has the nice name of hypotenuse. Let's move on to the last type of triangle, a right triangle where the two sides that form the right angle have the same length. And if you look closely, you will notice that this triangle is actually a square cut in half. And there you go, we have just reviewed the different types of triangles. Triangles are very important. They are the simplest shape that can create a surface. In video games and animated movies, almost all shapes are built using triangles. Even the most complex objects are actually made of thousands of tiny triangles. Exactly, lots of triangles. Your mesh is made of thousands of tiny triangles.